Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Chen Yuyan from Fudan University in China. Today is my great honor to be here and give you a presentation. My paper's name is Can Pre-trained Language Models Understand Chinese Humor? Humor understanding is an important and challenging research in natural language processing. As the popularity of pre-trained language models, some recent work makes preliminary attempts to adopt PLMs for humor recognition and generation. However, these simple attempts do not substantially answer the question whether PLMs are capable of humor understanding. To answer this question, we would like to investigate the humor understanding ability of PLMs in the following several aspects. The first is whether PLMs can understand humor before or after fine-tuning. The second is whether existing external knowledge can help improve PLM's humor understanding ability. The third one is whether PLMs can detect interpretable glue words that fit human intuitive understanding of humor. Then this paper is the first work to systematically evaluate the ability of PLMs in understanding Chinese humor. For this purpose, a comprehensive framework with 3 evaluation steps and 4 evaluation tasks is designed. We also construct a more comprehensive Chinese humor dataset compared with the prior research, which fully meets all data requirements of the proposed evaluation framework. And our empirical study justifies the positive effect of the fine-tuning and the external knowledge for PLMs on humor-relevant tasks, which has important guiding value for future optimization of PLMs in humor understanding and generation. In this paper, we focus on evaluating the ability of PLMs in understanding humor. And only when PLMs are capable of understanding humor can they generate more reasonable human tasks. So we propose a comprehensive evaluation framework with 3 evaluation steps based on 4 evaluation tasks to investigate the capability of PLMs in understanding humor. So 4 evaluation tasks contain humor recognition, human type classification, human level classification, and punchline detection. And 3 evaluation steps contains evaluate original PLMs, evaluate knowledge-enhanced PLMs, and interpret human understanding. The first one is the evaluation task. The human recognition aims to distinguish humorous tasks from the humorless ones, and humor type classification is to classify humorous tasks into several predefined humorous types and outputs the harmonic, ambiguous, incongruous. Human level classification is to output the corresponding human level, such as strong, medium, and weak of a humor. And the last is punchline detection, determines whether there is a semantic incongruity between the previous context and its punchline. That is to say, if it's a laugh point ending. To meet all data requirements of the evaluation framework, we construct a large-scale Chinese humor dataset, which consists of 4 subdatasets, including humor recognition, humor types classification, human level classification, and punchline detection subdataset. And all datasets are rechecked by humans. This is our framework for evaluating PLM's ability in understanding humor, which consists of 3 parts. It has evaluate original or fine-tuned PLMs. The second is evaluating knowledge-enhanced PLMs, and the last is interpreting human understanding in PLMs. First, we adopted several SOTA PLMs to model human understanding through 4 representative tasks. That is human recognition, human type classification, human level classification, and punchline detection. Second, we consider several types of external knowledge, such as general knowledge bases, common sense knowledge bases, and linguistic knowledge. Thirdly, given an input task, we aim at figure out which input words are critical for a PLM to make it correctly perform a human-relevant task, and whether these words better interpret PLM's human understanding ability. We use gradient-based and perturbation-based techniques. This is our experiment results. The first result is on original or fine-tuned PLMs. It suggests that PLMs have a certain degree of ability in distinguish punchline endings from normal endings. But this ability has much room to be improved questions. The second is the results on interpretability analysis. It suggests that external knowledge can help PLMs find more useful and appropriate keywords, especially in harmonic humorous tasks, thus improving their human understanding ability. And the last result is on downstream tasks. It suggests that the sense of humor has common characteristics with other emotions, which thus humor fine-tuned PLMs have a positive effect on other sentiment analysis tasks. This is our conclusion. We construct a comprehensive Chinese humor dataset, and our improved study on it yields some valuable observations. For example, while the original PLMs can hardly understand humor, they could gain a certain degree of humor understanding ability through fine-tuning. The second is linguistic knowledge, such as Chinese pinyin, has a positive effect for PLMs in human-relevant tasks. The third one is the existing knowledge bases and common sense bases cannot provide much required knowledge for human understanding. So as a future work, we would like to find more ways to collect more human-relevant background and counter knowledge for optimization of PLMs in human understanding. Yeah, that's all the content. Thank you for your listening.